Subcooling in a thermostatic expansion valve system and superheat in fixed orifice systems are key to figuring out if your air conditioner or heat pump is running right. Okay, so first off, subcooling is about how much the refrigerant cools down after it's all condensed into a liquid before hitting that valve. When you see lower than ideal subcooling in a TXV system, it usually means there's not enough refrigerant in the liquid line. It's basically undercharged. That lack of refrigerant can cause the system to struggle cooling because there isn't enough liquid refrigerant flowing to absorb heat properly. To check this, you want to measure the temperature difference between the liquid refrigerant line and the condensing temperature. If it's too low, you're probably short on refrigerant. On the flip side, superheat is what you look at for fixed orifice systems. This tells you how much the refrigerant vapor heats up after it evaporates in the coil. Too much superheat means the refrigerant isn't absorbing enough heat, also hinting at low refrigerant or airflow issues. When you're diagnosing these, keep your tools handy, like good gauges and a thermometer, and always compare your numbers to manufacturer specs. And if your subcooling is way off, adding refrigerant carefully while watching those readings can save you from bigger headaches. One of the biggest mistakes with subcooling and superheat is not knowing which system you're dealing with, TXV or fixed orifice, because the diagnostics differ big time. If you try to use superheat measurements on a TXV system or subcooling on a fixed orifice, you'll get misleading results and might add refrigerant when you shouldn't. Another common problem is ignoring airflow issues. Even if refrigerant levels are good, dirty filters or blocked coils throw off your temps and make readings useless. The third issue is overcharging the system based on just one reading without double checking. It can cause high pressures and damage your compressor. Fix these by confirming your system type first, making sure airflow is solid with clean filters and coils, and always doing multiple checks before adding refrigerant. BigHomeProjects.com is super useful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, saving you from endless searching and guesswork. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by putting them in touch with people who actually need their services nearby.